Welcome to Means Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
Hello, Means Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for your dead bird architecture. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. I'm Caleb Noth with Means Woodshop. Do you remember this old Applewood coffee scoop? It was my first Means Woodshop video. We're gonna revisit the coffee scoop today. If you saw the video, my first ever YouTube video was this coffee scoop, which is made out of Applewood. If you remember on this video, I carved out this little bowl for it, and one of the difficult things with that was the way I was gonna make it was using the drill press with a forstner bit in there, and I had lost the chuck for it. So I want to revisit that project and show you pretty much how easy it really can be making one of these. Alright, I've got a 1.5 inch forstner bit in here, and I haven't even drawn out a pattern or nothing. I'm just gonna start with the scoop part. And just like last time, we'll cut the shape out with the jigsaw. I'm going to take the coping saw, and that's what's going to be used to cut out the shape of the handle. And we got that main shape cut out, but just like last time, we're going to need the belt sander to really get all this rough junk off here. A little finishing sanding and this will be good to go. After all that sanding's out of the way, all this needs is some finish on it, which is just going to be mineral oil. That's it for the cherry coffee scoop. And since I have my apple scoop, I'll probably just let my dad keep this. And when you freehand this cut on a jigsaw, it'll be a little wonky. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. My subscriber count has been going up pretty decent, so I want to thank you all for that. It means a lot. You might not realize it, but just you watching the video and supporting me by subscribing to the channel actually helps me out a lot. If you haven't, I'd like to invite you to subscribe. I do new woodworking projects every week. You could look back at some of my older ones too. Some are better than others, but yeah, check it out, see what I got. Hit the little notification bell too, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new project video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.